Hey guys, we're here at CNET's lab with the biggest TV box I've ever seen. It took 3 guys to get this off the truck. There was a huge pallet. We barely fit it in the freight elevator. Finally got it upstairs here to the lab. This thing is massive. It weighs more than 220 pounds. That's just the TV itself. The box, I measured about 9.5 feet wide, 5.5 feet tall. Inside this box is a 115-inch television that costs about 20 grand from TCL. Biggest mass market TV I've ever seen. Definitely the biggest I've unboxed, so let's check it out. Okay, we're almost clear. Are we clear? So we'll just get all these kind of tight and toss this right to you. I got the back, it's not falling. Yep, all right. Yep, there we go, we're good. All right, lower. All right. Are we ready? So that's it, 115-inch TV, unboxed. Took 3 of us about a half an hour, but sure, a lot of fun. Let's make sure it works.
Love at first sight, ladies and gentlemen, love at first sight. It's so vivid, like it's so damn clear.
That's seriously so big. Oh my gosh.
There's no more room for any other furniture.
I don't want to smudge it, but I want to see, I want to hug it, but I also want to test my wingspan.
That's nuts.
I'm so used to getting like just a little thumbnail, and now the thumbnail is the size of a MacBook monitor. Hi, Sean.